आउज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अल्लाह के नाम से शुरू करता हूँ जो बहुत बड़ा मेहरबान और नहायत रहम करने वाला है। हमारे सब्जेक्ट का नाम करिकुलम डेवलपमेंट है और इस वक्त हम यूनिट नंबर 8 को पढ़ने जा रहे हैं जिसका नाम करिकुलम एंड डेवलपमेंट है। और ये प्रेजेंटेड बाय मैं मोहम्मद सुल्ला खान आपसे मुखातिब हूँ। और ये हमारा बी एड का कोर्स है जिसका कोर्स कोड नंबर 8603 और हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी का अल्लामा इकबाल ओपन यूनिवर्सिटी। तो स्टूडेंट शुरू करते हैं। सबसे पहले इंट्रोडक्शन इसका आपके सामने आ रहा है। तो ये इन द रूरल एरियाज पीपल आर कंटिन्यूसली कन्फर्ट with the several problems of the food, cloth and shelter. The basic amenities of the sanitation, health, education and other social welfare service are at best marginal, at the worst almost non-existing in the rural areas. Most often educational facilities either are not available, or if they are available they are so poor and depressing that the child would normally feel extremely comfortable. For instance, there are hardly any building and furniture, and most of the children have to squat on the floor in the open, exposed to the verges of wealth, or an handle in the dark room. There are no toilets and facilities. Opportunities for games or rented are non-existent, and children suffer from mutilation and health and service disease. In the cold and hot season, families are exposed to trickier and weather, owing to poor uh, accommodation and insufficient clothing, combination with poor nurture, nurture, nutrition. In a number of villages and backward areas, even drinking water is not available. It is common sight in the village that animals and human beings use the same pond for drinking water. Again, similarly, in the area where it is extremely cold, such as north areas of Gilgit and Baltistan, animals and human beings are huddled together in the same room in the night to protect themselves from the severe cold. In a situation like this, where the majority of the people is confronted with the basic survival problem, the urgent will be have a tendency to take precedence over the importance of the priorities would tend to tilt in favor of survival, education. Therefore, in a society like this must contribute towards facing the survival problems and improve the lifestyle of the people. आगे स्टूडेंट्स हम चलते हैं। तो आगे क्या एजुकेशन इन पाकिस्तान कॉन्टेक्स्ट में हम देखते हैं कि क्या इन पाकिस्तान बेसिकली द इंटायर प्रॉब्लम स्टीम्स फ्रॉम द फेस that during the days of the foreign rules, the colonials divided an education system which could not on one of the handle reduce the productivity of the locals and thus enhance their dependence on foreign sources, and on the other product peoples who would have a repeat for the foreign culture and ways of life, and would make the positive contribution towards a perpetuation and continues. Thus, with the imposition of the styles system on the education which was in the hands of the foreign, lost its contact with the linkage with the massive and the socio-economical contract in which they lived. The contact of education becomes a source of cultural alienation, so that is very recipient, because strangers to their own societies and not touch with their needs, they were ignorant of the problem facing by the massive education, because countering productive theoretically and academically with the no roots in the community. So in Pakistan context, which is what is recognized, that is to be able to read and write, to collect social and scientific information, and goals worth pursuing theoretical education for its own sake, because questionable and effect out of a place of meaningless Let us take an imaginary situation which is exaggerated only to bring into a sharp focused need for relating education to community development that it is. आगे स्टूडेंट्स हम चलते हैं ऑब्जेक्टिव देखते हैं इस चैप्टर के वो क्या हैं. आफ्टर स्टडिंग दिस यूनिट यू विल बी एबल टू नंबर वन के डिस्क्राइब द प्रोग्रेसिव लिंकेज ऑफ द एजुकेशन विद द इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट विद द रिफॉर्म्स ऑफ द national education politics in Pakistan. Period number 2 पे give a general view of education and development projects and approaches in the Asian region. Period describe the various aspects of complex nature of community development. Period identify the problem of the community, particularly in the regular areas of the role of the education in solving those problems. Period design educational programs which are relevant to the surrounding period. Draw the implications and of development, particularly in the respect of the new rules and responsibilities to teachers. फिर assess and evaluate the role of the existing curricula in particularly problems and critically review the implementation of educational programs. आगे स्टूडेंट्स हमारे पास आते हैं नंबर वन पे एजुकेशन पॉलिसीज़ एंड डेवलपमेंट ट्रेंड. ये क्या एजुकेशन पॉलिसीज़ मेकर्स प्लानर्स हैव बीन सेंसिटिव टू द प्रॉब्लम थ्रू नॉट टू एक्सटेंड दैट इट डिज़र्व even in the initial stages, although at a policy level the expression of this particular role and dimension of the education is distinct, yet at an implement level owing to setting of the resources it did not give the priority it deserved. However, one may accept the excuse of shortage of resources and failures may be referred to the major implementation agency, which is your opinion. After the independence of Pakistan, the first education conference at Karachi took policy statement for education reproduction below. You know that the importance of education and the right cannot be overemphasized under foreign rule for over a currency century. Sufficient attention has not been paid to the education of our Pakistan, and if we are make real speedy and sustainable progress, we must immensely tackle this question and bring our education policies and promote to the genuine of our people consistent with our history and culture and have regarding to modern condition and vast development that have taken place all over the world. आगे के स्टूडेंट्स नेशनल कमीशन इन एजुकेशन in 1959 ये क्या है. From here we jump over the observation of the National Commission on Education. We lay stress throughout our report on the concept of the education as a people investment in education development. This argue we are convinced as academically sound, and we would cite many examples of public figures and economic specialists in North American, Europe and Soviet Union who subscribe to the view the history of the economic development of these countries begins with the education of their cities and the remarking progress they have made in developing their national wealth is largely accounting for the effect they have made in educating their citizens at all levels. The advantages of technology process have been publicly or recognized in Pakistan and incorporated in various development plannings of various government. We are convinced that one of the missing element which has practically accounted for a failure to accomplish these plans have been the insufficient attention paid to the training of sufficient personnel and the large body of the technicians and vocational skills workers necessary for the particular application of the advanced work of the scientists and engineers who believe that we shall continue to fall short of our development goals, and full provision have been made for our training of skilling skilled personnel at all levels. This the reading of our chapter on engineering, technology, and vocational and commercial and secondary education will show not only provision for the training in these fields can be made, but also what are different cognitive of personals need to our conditions, and what are the फिर है द न्यू एजुकेशनल पॉलिसी 1969 ये स्टूडेंट्स कहती है द एंटायर एजुकेशन स्ट्रक्चर हैज़ टू बी रिकॉग्नाइज एंड रिकॉन्सिनेटेड अकॉर्डिंग टू द न्यू demand and requirement. New education policy 1969 rightly pointed out the considerable wages of national resources in the field of education, referring to the twin purpose of elimination of unemployment among the education youth and the redesign of education. The policy statement कहती if the policy is to be tackled, it will be necessary to complete the recognition the educational system at the secondary level. A present education at the level is designed not so much as a terminal stage but as a prepared for entry to college and late to university. As shown there is a proponent level learning, and not enough attention is paid to vocational and technical training at the stage. Not more than 4% of the total enrollment at the secondary stage is a vocational and technical subject. The situation must be reversed. A massive shift towards vocationally and technically oriented education is required if the secondary stage of the education is to stop wasting the resources in producing the unemployment manpower, which continues to overcrowded the already made college and universities facilities and swell the range of the educated unemployment while developing needs of the technically trained manpower remains अनयूजफुल. आगे स्टूडेंट्स हमारे पास आते हैं ये द एजुकेशन पॉलिसी 1972 से 80. ये क्या द एजुकेशन पॉलिसी 1972 to make the elementary education productive and useful. It clearly stated that system of elementary education will be so designed that the knowledge of the skills of the impact of the attitude implant and the learning method employees will ensure that those who not proceed to secondary education can be useful absorbed in the education economy of the local community. For those leaving school affairs class 8 special courses of the training in the skills of these vocational interests will be provided in the school workshops. It is essential that the children who drop out after class 8 should carry with them enough skills to return to their local or ascendant vocation as better farmers or craftsmen. आगे स्टूडेंट्स हम चलते हैं. ये जी द नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी 1978 ये क्या वॉच carefully the renewable emphasize on the education plan in the national education policy of 1978. In spite of several efforts in the past of the technical and vocational education, it is still not the job oriented. More than it is a hardly or an arrangement for identification and need of the providing the training to 80% rural population and to make them more productive in order to strengthen the large sector of our economy. In order to improve technical and vocational education, it has been decided to introduce production orientation curriculum related to the market requirements in all technical and vocational institutions. Advocacy committee have representatives of trade and industry will be constituted to keep the training responsive to change market requirement. फिर all the teacher and vocational institution will be encouraged to generating funds for supplementing their resources by producing sellable good during training. Small production units will be established with technical and vocational institution under a phase program. Even Evening programs will be introduced technical and vocational institution for the benefits of the community wherever needed. Separate vocational schools or for dropout of the school systems will also be established. Equipments needs for the various levels of technical and vocational institution will be standardized. Mechanism for standardized teacher and certification of technical and vocational skills requires through formal, informal, or traditional systems of training in conciliating with the trade industries and the other users of the output of these institutions will be introduced. आगे स्टूडेंट हम चलते हैं ये जी है problems and issues. ये क्या there is a various revision that would be expressed about the programs. Some of them are below. एक है progress requires certain physical facilities, equipments and training for the providing the physical facilities and equipment finance were not made available as one more expected in the country like Pakistan. The resources are limited. Moreover, there has been and still is an acute shortage of teachers in technical subjects. The introduction of the skills training as a specific cluster of curriculum activities given the impression that only these activities related to the development whenever the rest of the curriculum doesn't. There is a series of problems which bring a number of destroying in our educational system. Period number C पे the technical training programs were organized in a manner that there were sense and scenes as an active in and itself. The final objective and outcome of which were successful or failure in examination. No linkage was established between the program and community requirement which would be incented the students and the teachers into a community and development program. Perhaps this was a great weakness of the program. आगे स्टूडेंट्स हम चलें एजुकेशन एंड डेवलपमेंट एशियन रीजन. ये क्या है इन द एशियन कंट्रीज द ड्यूअल एंड अर्बन रूरल इकोनॉमी ऑफन reflect various degrees of modernization and inherence the traditional ways of living. The decorately is the consequences of the imbalance and socio-economic development. Suggestion that the national policies need clearly definition and continuity and perhaps re-evaluate of priorities. The problem is compounded by the migration of the people from the rural to the urban areas, aggravating unemployment in the later. Demographic factors aggravate the situation, manufacturing the many fighting the problems of the development in a crisis proportion. Most of the countries in the areas have a runway population growth and high uh, dependency ratio. The result of the population structure is that overwhelming young over 50% below to the group of the age 21 years or below, which is concerned with the lower productivity as a future consequence of unemployment, slow economy program and expensive population growth. There are several storages of the food, social services, water supply and qualified manpower as well as inadequate in the infrastructure of all which are essential to national development. आगे स्टूडेंट्स हम चलते हैं ये जी है एनालिसिस ऑफ कॉम्प्रीहेंसिव स्टडी ऑफ करंट प्रोजेक्ट्स एंड प्लान. ये क्या है अ मेजर शिफ्ट ऑफ द स्कूल करिकुलम इज अंडर द वे इन विच द मेनी कंट्रीज ऑफ द रीजन इज रिस्पॉन्सेज टू द नीड ऑफ द accelerating the pace of development through education and also to make the education more relevant to the learning and to the society. In Republic of Korea in India, multiple media approach is being developed for selecting curriculum and units related to the national development in order to the school curriculum can become more relevant to the social and economic development. Flexibility in curriculum development is being introduced in Republic of Korea. A module of approach has to be suggested and in India the curriculum cell are being set up to both on the centers and in the various steps of the country so as allows for continuous reconversation of curricula and examine exa, extre, ex, exa, exa, experience experiment is underway. The multimedia institutional materials, and particularly with the satellite instruction television for the regular areas and backward sections of the country community. Sri Lanka, which has a highly academic oriented culture, has brought about a major change and evolved curricula for primary and lower secondary stages, which are oriented towards the national development. All pupils from the grade 1 to 9 or 6 to 14 will follow a curriculum designed to provide a broad general education, which also include the development and employment with the आगे स्टूडेंट्स चलते हैं ये एजुकेशन एंड प्रोडक्टिव स्किल्स डेवलपमेंट इन एशियन रीजन. ये कंसेप्ट एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव स्किल्स ये क्या जी एन इंटरप्रिटेशन बाय द participation of a meeting convent under the APEID. The term concept used in the synthesis embraces three important elements, namely number one के now skills development is defined, number second पे क्या on which basis it should be developed, फिर आखिर में क्या on what principle the design should be based. The object refer to the center type of the levels of the competence of the learning is expected to achieve. ये concept of the skill development it is generally agree that education is in school and out of school can be proposed meaning and productive if it does not have close any linkage with national development program. In this regard, education program for skill development in both formal and informal settings should be organized to support the achievement of the other objectives. आगे चलते हैं स्टूडेंट ये इश्यूज एंड प्रॉब्लम ये देर आर टू स्कूल्स थ्रू कंसर्निंग द डेवलपमेंट एंड प्रोडक्टिव स्किल्स. वन इज़ फॉर द पर्पज ऑफ इमीडिएट यूज दैट इज नेबल and learning to employ his skills for the everything living and to be enable him to participate in useful socialist activities and others. So school of thought is to be prepared the learners for future for further learning in vocational and technical institution as well as the entering vocation and after leaving the school. Where those who advocate the first viewpoint got immediate use of the skills development as well as the services to the community as an important. They believe that at the stage of the education, general education level specialization in a certain vocation should not be emphasized. It is only basic skills that would be needed, and what is more important is it the development desired attitude towards work and good working habits which could be used in the present as well as the future level of the learners. Again, the secondary say the school of thoughts however advocate that for the most developing countries most suitable will be leave the general school either the future students or for the work. Under the condition it would be advocated that the education program for skills development to be desired towards the student need doesn't mean that the skills learned cannot be immediate use with the intent training. The learning should be in a positive to do even better in providing service to the community. Participants of the matter were of the opinion that at each viewpoint it on merit and there should be more research students on the strength and weakness both parties. आगे स्टूडेंट्स हम चल रहे हैं अप्रोचेज ऑफ स्किल्स में एजुकेशन ये ऑल ओवर वर्क बोथ फॉर्मल एंड इनफॉर्मल अप्रोचेज are being used. Formal approaches in the text refer to the approach used to the implement skills education in the regarding the school system such as primary school, secondary school, vocational school, and non-formal approach means that an approach in implementing the skills education for these who are not regular school system. Number one पे क्या formal approach है each country has its own program of skills education which are being implemented through the formal approach period. This type of approach has an unique characteristic for the each country depending on its condition and situation period. a program. Although each country has its own specific social need, it home economic agriculture wood and metal and technical and skills and crafts and services are commonly program. However, the instructions materials may vary depend upon the specific needs of the each country. फिर भी है nature of the program ये क्या gradually skills education does not aim at developing mental skills on mature skills only, but also an other format of development related to cognitive and affective domain. The stress is on the स्किल्स डेवलपमेंट एंड डेवलपिंग द स्किल्स ऑन द कंट्रीज हैं आगे के स्टूडेंट्स हमारे पास है एजुकेशन रूरल डेवलपमेंट ये मोस्ट एशियन कंट्रीज हैव लार्ज कंसर्न ऑफ द रूरल population while urbanizing in the increasing and accelerating the ratio the rural population remaining naturally numerically dominated and is expected to remain so even for the next decade. It is considered that these related many countries in the Asian region in these strategy to attain national development goals and more these effects on the development in rural areas by the way the observation. It is widely expected now that the accepting of the rural development and the rural role of the education as a component of the rural development were non given series of attention during the early post-war period in the world in general and in the Asian region particularly. Rural development is not being interpreted as a strong design to improve the economic and social level of and the rural poor. It involves the extension that benefits of the development to those who expected a livelihood in the crucial area. The economic dimension of the rural development, economic uplift, the reduction of the productivity so that the rural power get adequate food, cloth and shelter. The social dimension underline the provision of the health and educational services. It also aimed at the development of the individual and rural society in social, psychological context. Education and political consideration are two additional elements in formal and facilities for education and provides for the educational growth to the rural population into the public domain. आगे स्टूडेंट्स हम चलते हैं एजुकेशन इन गुड एंड for rural development. It is desired to distinguish between the two set of education activities, differentiate by their main objectives and target group and categories. Those on the education in the rural development and education for the rural development. ये education in rural development, the focus of the activities in one of the curriculum of the school as a social agency for the imparting knowledge, skills and values through in school and out of the school activities and experience. In most countries curricula are changed to incorporate such elements in the education program. Here two approaches is being followed in the related school curricula of to education in rural development. Number A पे क्या the elements of the rural development are neatly and throughoutly integrated into a school curriculum in such a way that the education is rural development become the school curriculum. फिर the rural academic curriculum is written 10 activity related to rural development and assigned to extracurricular affairs. Period. Rural elements, rural development activities in the country of the region are being in the curriculum period to co-curriculum and extracurriculum activities. आगे स्टूडेंट्स हमारे पास आ रहे हैं जी. Education for rural development. The focus on the activities is on the development and the rural communities according to the traditional concept. Education had related or not ruled in the program. It is not recognized that education can be simply restricted to the school or views as a time bound process, but intent must be equated broadly with the learning regarding of whether, how and when the take place. Under the new concept, education has been categorized as a informal, formal and non-formal education. Wherever the process of the Informal education is related to the unorganized and unsynthesized that litter and two categories of education: formal and informal education, and re- re- relatively organized activity where education for the rural development, that is education in linkage with the program of rural development, is provided mainly through informal and formal mode, even though linked are established with the formal education system period. uh, in the such program there are four categories: and education rural people involved in various agriculture and extensive services through types of activities such as the agriculture extension work, health and education service, and working and cooperation and planning working period. Those include farmers and skills craftsmen concerned particularly with the एजुकेशन एंड ट्रेनिंग आउट ऑफ द स्कूल यूथ। आगे स्टूडेंट्स हमारे पास यहाँ पे एंड हो जाते हैं हमारा चैप्टर नंबर 8। तो फी हमारे ला गुड लक टू योर फाइनल एग्जाम B.Ed के हमारा ये कोड नंबर इसका 8603 था। अल्लाह हाफिज़ मेरी तरफ से। और मेरे चैनल मोहम्मद सफला खान को सब्सक्राइब करें और मुझे सपोर्ट कीजिए, और मैं ताकि और एजुकेशनल वीडियो बनाऊँ, और मेरे वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर स्टूडेंट से कीजिए ताकि वो लोग इस लेक्चर से मुस्तफ़ीद हो सकें और अच्छे मार्क्स ले सकें अपने फाइनल एग्जाम में। अल्लाह हाफिज़। मुझे दुआ में याद रखिए। अल्लाह हम सबका हामी नासिर हो। आमीन सुम्मा आमीन या रब्बुल आलमीन।